Ow! Easy there. I'm still recovering from that fall. Every time I move, my head starts buzzing.
That tiny injury took you down. Come on, little bro, get up.
Easy for you to say. It's not your ass that hurts. Look at me. I'm shedding pieces over here.
You're just trying to slack off and hold me back. Give it up already.
You brute. You never listen to a word I say. I told you don't do it.
What the heck? Why am I stuck?
Hey, what's this new trick? Come on, let's do surgery.
Heh, done and done.
A knee of yours took a hit, and a piece decided to stay behind rent-free. Go easy on it next time.